Who said go-kart outdoor was a summer activity? Not me. As you can see, it's winter, it's minus 3 degrees Celsius, and we are driving go-karts on a lake in the winter. I see. It's fun, it's great fun sliding around on a go-kart. These go-karts are set up with racing spikes at the front, normal big spikes at the back tires. So they are sliding around, it's fun, but you still have traction enough to do crazy stuff. Well, some crazy stuff at least. It's in Eggedal in Viken, formerly known as Buskerud. It's Hebbes ice track, it's Signal Gokart who is arranging it, and it's me and a friend and some randoms. I hope you enjoy, because I did. Wipe out! Gypsy! It's worth mentioning that The brake pedal on these go-karts are most for show. You don't need it. I don't use it. Hence, you set up the cart for a slide and go through the corner through the slide. If you get cocky, these things happens. I spin out, and two people pass me. We are not driving this on a time track or whatever. It's not to do the quickest lap. It's for the fun, for the laughs and enjoyment, and it is fun. The cars are not new, but they are working. They keep them well maintained. We had some problems with throttle wires actually freezing over, but shit happens. They sort it out, and you can keep on rolling. So it's fun, and it's worth the trip. We're getting closer to the end of this movie. Yet again, it's Eggedal Gokart who arranges this, and it's worth it. It's a little bit more expensive than normal track run, but still, as I say, it's worth it. It's fun. You can see we are sliding around. The snow is spraying. I prefer to use my private helmet, but I also have helmets for rent. But you need warm clothes because they don't have warm clothes for you. That's your problem. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I did.